This man ate garlic every day, fasting. Look what happened. The medicinal properties of garlic have been known and used as part of natural medicine for thousands of years. On the one hand, it is a potent antibiotic, as well as an antioxidant, which effectively fights infections and diseases. The best time to consume this vegetable is first thing in the morning, because your stomach is empty and can absorb all its nutrients. Garlic is the best natural medicine for hypertension because it keeps blood pressure under control without incurring any side effects. On the other hand, there is nothing that prevents inflammation better than garlic, which makes this vegetable extremely beneficial for people suffering from arthritis. Eating fasting of garlic effectively reduces the symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. Garlic also prevents infections of various types, including fungi, human papillomavirus and bacterial infections. Eating garlic regularly can help you fight these infections more easily. In addition, eating a clove of garlic in the morning will improve your immune system and make you less susceptible to infections and bacteria, which is especially important if you suffer from colds, nasal allergies or other diseases. A single clove of garlic contains 5 mg of calcium, 12 mg of potassium, and more than 100 compounds of sulfur, which makes this vegetable far superior to any pill or supplement. Finally, garlic improves lung function and prevents a number of respiratory diseases such as pneumonia, bronchitis, congestion, cough, among others.